Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you purchase iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max and you have no idea how to use audio mix feature in iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So here it is answer how to use it. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start as demonstration in mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. This is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and if you open the camera, so here audio mix feature is not available here. First of all, you need to record video like a cinematic audio video or any other point of view. You record just video of like any of the places, like so many people available around you, and you record the video, and after that you can very easily analyze and use this feature. That one is really amazing. So I will tell you, I record one of the video and I will show you this one, just like this video. And if you press here the bottom of the screen, three lines, click. So look at this here, bottom of the screen, audio mix feature they are introducing. If I tap here, we can go one by one. First of all, this is the standard. So I record this video and I'm organizing the capturing the voice, which voice is recognized properly, and you can see here, so voice is coming properly, yes or not, my voice, vehicle voice and other noise. So this is a standard normal video, you can receive this. And now in frame voice, now I play. As a demo point of view, I record this video and I'm organizing the capturing the voice, which voice. So look at this here, the vehicle noise are coming very less here, they are filtering vehicle voice and other noise. Now studio, as a demo point of view, I record this video. Studio voice is amazing, and I'm organizing the capturing the voice, which voice is recognized properly, and you can see here, so voice is coming properly, yes or not, my voice, vehicle voice and other noise. And cinematic, as a demo point of view, I record this video, and so accordingly you decide which one is the best for you and use these features. That one is a really amazing features they are introducing, especially on the studio voice. So you can record the video and use these tips and tricks and change your voice using audio mix feature in iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.